The universal kit can be used in a wide variety of applications. To determine if this bolt-on style kit could work on your mower, let's take a look at a mowing deck and answer a few questions. First, is there a flat surface on the back of the deck where we could mount two 1¼ by 4" long angle brackets? In this example, the extra bar that is shown in red would prevent the brackets from bolting on. Also, some decks will have a lip in this area which will also interfere. Second, is there enough room between the tires and the back of the deck for a striping assembly that extends 4½ inches? Some newer decks have tires up very tight to the deck. This deck has anti-scalp wheels, so you may be able to utilize those brackets by removing the small plastic wheels and bolting to those existing brackets. Third, if the tires are close to the deck, is there room between the tires to mount a shorter striping kit? The tires are already pushing the grass down, so we can stripe between them by fitting a roller as wide as possible. If we remove the extra bar, we would have a flat surface for mounting. However, we still have to account for the interior baffles, shown here in green, that will interfere with bolts passing through the deck. Even if your deck does not have the baffles, make sure you're clear of the mowing blades. Lastly, is there any supporting hardware or other machine parts that the roller will hit when the deck is raised to maximum heights? Lower mowing heights may not be possible if your deck has support arms, such as these highlighted in yellow, which may contact the roller if it's adjusted to a higher position. If you have airless tires, be sure the roller straps will clear them when the deck is all the way up. Here's a look at a universal kit that is mounted on a deck. You can see the location of the angle brackets allows the bolts to pass through the deck without hitting the baffles or any mowing blades. With the brackets mounted, we can now measure the distance between the outside of the brackets to determine our roller size. This example shows 39¾ spacing, so take off 3/4 inch and we know a 39-inch roller will fit. Assemble the bearings to the brackets as shown with the grease zerks pointed upward. Attach one side, assemble the other side, and install with the roller. Install locking collars last and double check that the grease zerks are tight.